Toretto! Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I just checked to see if Dom was home. He ain't home though. Well, let's get back into the garage. Alright, so today, guys, we are going to put the wire harness on pause. Going to pull this cylinder head back off. Again, there's nothing really holding it on other than just the dowel pin. So I'm going to pull that off. I'm going to get the new valves put in, so you'll see me put that together, and again I'll show you how to get that taken care of as well. And then by then, hopefully with that, I should be able to get the exhaust manifold for the turbo. This may be its location where I want to put it, and then I just got to make the runners to go to the exhaust side. But for now, let's start off by pulling the head off. Before we start, check out what my neighbor brought over. He got the timing cover taken care of for me. Oh man, that is nice. Shout out to my neighbor Truett. Thanks again. Now I can put the DC cover on. More of a Marvel fan, but hey, whatever. Drag Cartel it is. So the head is now off. Again, these are the two cylinders that are going to need to get the new valves in, which I do have. Again, they are right here, OEM part numbers. So of course I needed two. I did put this one in. You guys didn't see me do that in the video. And again, the tool, which I recommended to use. I mean, it doesn't matter which brand, just as long as it works. So this is just one, again, I bought offline. Basically all that you are doing is that you are fastening the two bolts here on the cylinder head. And again, before you put the valves in, you want to lube them. They're going to go back from underneath the cylinder head and they're going to come up. This is going to push the valve down along with the retainer, and once it's down far enough, you're going to see a space there where you could actually put the keepers on. So I want to get these going here. Alright, I'm not sure if you could actually see it though, but the keepers actually fall into place about right here. There's always other ways to do it. You could also put assembly lube or Vaseline in this area, so you could actually put the keepers on the retainer, which are going to sit in this area. So as you compress it, they just stay in place. I just did it dry in this one here. You kind of get an idea of how it goes. So again, you just detension it. Spring will come up. Kind of see the keepers right in there. It's tensions down on the valve. So that's one of them. That's just been installed. And there you go. That's one done. Now I just got to get this side here. See that one back on time lapse. Alright guys, so neighbor actually just got his car back from tune. That Evo kind of ran into some issues before, but now we got it all adjusted and fixed. So we're going to go out for a test drive on the E85. You guys all remember Truett? Talking about Mexico, guys. Not really.
Twin Cities in Mexico, man.
Yeah. driving his car. He actually also let me take it out on a spin, so that was pretty cool. But getting back into the garage, let's start working on the manifold here. Okay, so what we got going on now, I did end up cutting off the manifold here from the original, just so I could get the flange. And then I did also readjusted the actual collector. Actually, I welded it instead of putting that bolt there, just so it could be a little bit lower, about a ½ inch. And again, I did start cutting up the stainless piping up. So I'm going to start cleaning this section up and start tacking some of them into place. I already did pre-fit some of them just so I could at least make one of the runners, and then from there I could keep moving forward. Okay, so I put the bracket back in, kind of grinded it all up. I tacked the first one in to its location, to where it's going to be. I got the other section right here in which I marked. Kind of see these little dots, 2 dots, 1 line, but that's the area I am going to be welding. I'm just going to go and tack it for now, probably put a few tacks around it, and if everything matches up, I'm going to go and just try to keep moving forward here. Alright, got my pops holding the cylinder head down. That's the only way I was able to get the manifold on. I only got my first runner in right now. But again, we kind of see the location of how the turbo is going to be. Anyway. Alright, so first runner's in. Now I got the second one in. Kind of figure out that location here. So we got number 2 in place. Tacked up. So we got to make 2 more to go. I'm going to go and end the video here for today. Again, thanks again for tuning in. Stay tuned. I still got to finish up on the runners. But again, I also do got another side job I got to do. Not by choice. Just trying to help out another family member. So got to put an engine in a Volvo. They just dropped off here the other day. So probably are going to try to just pick and choose what I'm going to be doing. And again, thanks again for Beast Cookies right down here. You see that? Beast Cookies. New energy cookie on the market. Started down south when I went down there. I met the guys. Real cool cats. And they're actually all into cars too. So make sure you follow them on Instagram. Again, stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.